Alright you guys, so really quickly, excuse how I look right now. I know I look a little rusty, but it's okay. I'm about to get fake cute in a second. But I just want to quickly show you guys this. If my camera would focus. It doesn't want to focus. Alright, well, it doesn't want to focus, but you guys can see like that there's like residue or whatever on my lace, and it goes all the way around in the front. That is my got to be glued, and I quickly wanted to say that don't have time to wash it out before they want to put the wig back on. What you can do is spray your got to be glued directly on the wig. I don't know if anybody knows that or anyone has tried it, but I figured I'd just say it anyway. That's what I do. Spray it on there. Don't drench it, but kind of drench it. I don't know. However much you feel you need, you put it on there, because it's kind of like a reactivation for the got to be glue that's already on the lace. So once you do that, put it on regular, you know, when I put it on, I'm gonna put it on my head, fold it back, spray it all on there, and I am also gonna continue to spray it on my forehead too, just so that I can have that extra hold. And then fan it, whatever, put it on the regular way how you put your wig on, and make sure that you put your scarf on or whatever it is that you're putting on to basically melt the lace into your forehead. And when you take that off, you'll see that it's melted regularly. You won't even see all of this stuff that's on the wig. So I just really want to tell you guys that, and yeah, stay tuned. Okay you guys, so this part I forgot to mention, that the only downside to when you do this method that I'm using is that, see right there, the front of my hair is really hard, which I hate. You probably could use water to spray it a little bit to loosen it up, but yeah, that's the downside about using this method. I just wanted to say that real quick. She annoying for that. That was mad funny. Anybody else live? No, anybody trying to be live early in the damn morning. Alright, so right here you guys are just gonna see me flat iron the hair. I'm gonna do it throughout the entire head. And I did not show on camera me actually putting it into the ponytail, but you basically just brush it to your liking, you know, until you don't feel any bumps, lumps, or anything like that. And then you throw it in the ponytail. So yeah, just keep watching. Real quickly, I don't know if you guys know, but this is still the same Unice wig that I did a review on. If you watched my previous videos, I got this wig way back in like August, end of August, early September, because it was supposed to be for my birthday. And yeah, I mean, it's not perfect, but it's holding up. It's looking real good to me for a wig that's, what, is it 6 months yet? I don't know, but y'all, this wig is so lit. I mean, it's time to put Erica down, but she holding on. Like, she looked pretty good.
Even like when you bless me 2 times.
Alright, you guys, so I was really rushing, like to the point that I don't even think this lash is on good, especially if I look down, which I'm trying not to look down. But this is a finished product. Yeah, this is a finished product. I just feel like whenever you're going out real quick, or you just want to look cute but not too much, and you don't have the time to sit up here and put on all this makeup, throw on a pair of lashes and some lip gloss, and you're good to go. If you feel like do a little bit of makeup on your eyebrows, if you got some really thin eyebrows, go right ahead and do that. But as I said, this lash is messing with me. Honestly, I'm about to take it off because I don't have the time. I'm just gonna go outside without the lashes. I could do the lip gloss. Like, if you feel like you're really just that popping, you might as well, because you're popping. Like, can't nobody say nothing. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. I will be posting more videos, and make sure you hit that notification bell so that you guys can be notified every time I upload a video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Duh.